So welcome to our tutorial today. It's called focal points, camera compositions. First, compositions are the arrangement of the visuals on the frame on the screen. For here, let's go to our camera, and here it is. The car is placed on the top left of our roll of thirds, which the the overlay composition can be found on the camera's properties, view for display, and the composition guides. Also the rule of thirds, the golden ratio, which is here, the pie grid, the triangles, and the harmony, and also the diagonals and center, which can be found here. So for this tutorial, we're gonna focus on the focal points. So focal points is it's the first thing that you need to know for compositions. It is what you want to show to the to your audience or viewers. It is the main topic of the frame or on this of the shot. From here, the car is the main topic. So every compositions there is focal point. That's why it is something that used for focusing on the of your object or subject. So here it's the car. So to use focal points, you just need to focus the camera on your object. Like, go to here, another example for our synod. So here in this frame 0, notice that this is your it is normally what is seen first, or what do you notice first from that first shot or frame. So it is this, and so here, so it's here. What did you notice first? Is it this, or there's nothing else but this? Okay, that's the point of focal point. So when to use this? So as I said, always use this because you're portraying a story, and you need to focus something on the scene or the shot to say something. Like here, look at this, like that. Look at this subject, not here but here. And the composition are just the arrangement of the focal point, or where should you put the focal point. Like here, it is put on the top left roll of thirds points. So here it's in the second line, and just playing here in the second line of the roll of thirds. Okay, now that you understand the focal point, you can go to our next tutorial next week, the roll of thirds.